Artificial intelligence goes for beginner by knowledge and information. In this video we are discussing about AI governance. AI governance. AI governance refers to the set of policies, regulations, and ethical considerations that guide the development, deployment, and use of artificial intelligence (AI) technologies. The field of AI governance has emerged in response to concerns about the potential risks and challenges associated with the increasing use of AI, such as biases, privacy violations, and unintended consequences. AI governance involves a range of stakeholders, including governments, regulators, industry, researchers, and civil society organizations. It seeks to ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in ways that are transparent, accountable, and ethical, and that they promote human rights and societal well-being. Some of the key areas of AI governance include: 1. Ethical principles and standards. These are the guiding principles and values that shape the development and use of AI, such as fairness, transparency, and accountability. 2. Regulation and oversight. This involves the creation and enforcement of laws, regulations, and standards that govern the use of AI, such as data privacy laws and ethical guidelines for AI research. 3. Risk management. This involves assessing and managing the risks associated with AI, such as the potential for bias or discrimination, and developing strategies to mitigate those risks. 4. Transparency and accountability. This involves ensuring that the development and use of AI technologies are transparent and accountable, including making the decision-making process and the underlying data and algorithms available to the public. 5. International cooperation. This involves promoting international cooperation and coordination on AI governance issues, such as the development of common standards and best practices. 7. Privacy and data protection. This involves ensuring that the collection, storage, and use of personal data in AI systems are compliant with privacy and data protection laws and ethical standards. 8. Cybersecurity. This involves ensuring the security and resilience of AI systems against cyber threats and attacks. 9. Intellectual property and ownership. This involves addressing issues related to intellectual property and ownership of AI technologies and data. 10. Human rights and social impact. This involves considering the impact of AI on human rights and social welfare, and ensuring that AI technologies promote social justice and well-being. The field of AI governance is complex and rapidly evolving, as new AI applications and technologies emerge, and new ethical and regulatory challenges arise. Effective AI governance requires a collaborative and interdisciplinary approach that involves stakeholders from a range of fields, including technology, law, ethics, and social sciences. There are several initiatives and organizations that are working to develop and promote AI governance. These include: 1. The Partnership on AI. This is a coalition of companies, non-profits, and academics that are committed to developing and promoting best practices for AI governance. 2. The Global Governance of AI Roundtable. This is an initiative launched by the European Union and Japan to promote international cooperation on AI governance issues. 3. The IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems. This is a project launched by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, to develop ethical standards and guidelines for AI technologies. Four. The AI Ethics Lab. This is a non-profit organization that provides resources and training on AI ethics and governance. 5. The AI Now Institute. This is a research institute at New York University that studies the social implications of AI and develops policy recommendations for AI governance. As AI technologies become more pervasive in our lives, the importance of effective AI governance will only continue to grow. It is essential that we develop robust and comprehensive policies and regulations that ensure that AI is developed and used in ways that benefit society and promote human well-being. Effective AI governance can also play an important role in promoting innovation and economic growth. By ensuring that AI is developed and used in ethical and responsible ways, we can build public trust in these technologies and create a more favorable environment for innovation and investment. In addition to developing policies and regulations for AI governance, it is also important to invest in research and development of AI technologies that are aligned with ethical and social values. This includes funding research on AI safety and ethical considerations, as well as supporting the development of AI technologies that promote social welfare and address pressing societal challenges. AI governance is a complex and multifaceted field that requires a collaborative and interdisciplinary approach. It is important for policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and civil society organizations to work together to develop and implement effective AI governance policies and practices that promote human well-being, social justice, and innovation. In next video, we will discuss about future of AI. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.